Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're on YouTube and ready to grab a link. First, open the specific video page so the browser or app shows that video's address. Once done, verify title and channel to ensure it's the correct clip. Make sure to choose the type of URL you need: full watch link, short URL, blink, or embed code, because each serves different uses. This initial choice saves time later and prevents sharing the wrong resource. On desktop, click the address bar to select the full watch URL or click the share button to get a short URL. Link, copy accordingly. On mobile, tap share then copy link. That gives a shareable URL ready for messaging or social posts. If you need to place the video on a web page, choose share then embed and copy the iframe HTML provided. Throughout, double-check the copied text by pasting into a note so you confirm it matches the intended format. Finish by testing the link in a new tab or sending it to yourself to confirm playback and permissions. If viewers report errors, verify the video's visibility settings. Unlisted will play, private will not, so adjust in the Creator Studio if you have access. For embed problems, make sure the iframe uses HTTPS and allowed dimensions. Some platforms block mixed content. If a short link redirects improperly, copy the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.